Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting power and removing the dual sense from all cables. That prevents shorting. Once done, lay out Torx T6, Phillips, plastic pry picks, and 90% plus isopropyl alcohol within reach. Make sure to document screw positions with a photo so reassembly is straightforward. Begin by removing the 4 screws on the back, then gently pry the shell seams with a plastic tool. Slow, even pressure. You are aiming to expose the button assembly without forcing clips or tearing ribbons. Once the shell is open, disconnect the battery ribbon to keep things safe. Lift the rubber button membrane and remove the plastic face if needed so you can access the button domes and PCB pads. Swab each dome and the corresponding circuit contact with a small amount of 90% plus isopropyl. Work in one direction and allow evaporation. If you see torn conductive carbon or a delaminated membrane, replace that rubber membrane or conductive pad. Cleaning alone won't fix physical damage. Recheck alignment before closing. After cleaning and any necessary part replacement, reseat the rubber membrane and plastic face carefully. Make sure each button sits flat and centered. Reconnect the battery ribbon, close the shell, and tighten screws in a cross pattern to avoid stress. Pair the controller and test every button in a menu and in a game. Recalibrate if needed through Ps5 settings. If stickiness continues or inputs are intermittent, replace the membrane or full button assembly. That final replacement is the only guaranteed fix for worn conductive layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.